Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lime character from Sprunki. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw 2 large circles for the eyes. Now let's draw a large circle in the left eye. And a smaller one in the right one. And then color both of the pupils in black. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw a line down. And then let's add another curve to thicken up the bottom of each of the eyes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a V-shaped point up like this. And then a smaller one next to the right eye. Now let's hop up and let's draw one up on top. Then a larger one. And then one more to close it off. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up to close off the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the mouth. Let's start on the bottom left and we're going to draw an angle up and over to the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with 2 angles down underneath. And then a line across at the bottom. And that's it for the lime character. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!